Wow, Dad, look at all these amazing things.
I know, Rahul. Museums are like treasure houses of knowledge. Hey, look over there. That's a huge globe.
Wow,
Can we go near and look?
Of course, let's go explore.
Dad, what does the globe show us?
A globe is a round model of the Earth. It shows us the different places of the Earth, such as continent, countries, oceans, seas, and so on.
It looks just like the Earth. What is the road passing through the center of the globe?
This rod represents the axis of the Earth. The Earth rotates on its axis.
Oh, yes, I learned about rotation. It takes 24 hours for the Earth to rotate on its axis. And what are these lines on the globe?
Well spotted, champ. The horizontal lines are called the latitudes, and the vertical lines are called longitudes.
This line which is passing right from the center of the Earth. It must be equator.
Yes, very good. It divides the Earth into two equal halves, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere.
Look here. Maps also show the surface of the Earth or a part of it, but they are drawn on a flat surface.
Dad, why are there so many different maps?
These maps show different things. This one shows countries and cities. This one shows mountains and rivers. And this one shows population and climate.
That's so fascinating. Maps can show us lots of different stuff.
All right, Rahul. Let's learn how to read a map. First, we would learn about directions. See, the top of the map points to the north. The bottom of the map points to the south. The right-hand side points to the east, and the left-hand side points to the west.
I will remember the directions. Why are these colors and symbols used on the map?
Colors and symbols help to indicate different kinds of information. For example, green color can be used to indicate forests, and the brown color can be used to indicate the mountains. And look, this is the index or key of the map. Here you will find which information is indicated by which color or lines.
That's so fascinating. Maps are so useful. They can indicate a lot of information.
All right, Rahul. Can you tell me the difference between a globe and a map?
Well, a globe is round like the Earth, and a map is flat. And maps can show different things like countries or mountains. The whole Earth cannot be seen on the globe at the same time. A clear picture of the whole Earth can be seen at the same time on a map.
That's right. Good job, champ. They both have their advantages and disadvantages, but they both are important for understanding geography.